Good evening. I am Narendra Dattatreya Sringarpure. Welcome to my YouTube channel NDS FinServ in English. After a very long time, I am preparing a video and coming in front of you. Today I am going to talk about a new development as far as our income tax return filing is concerned. I have already covered this topic in part in my Marathi channel, but at that time I had already said that I'll be covering the same topic in my English channel as well, because there are many people who don't follow my Marathi channel because they couldn't understand the language. So, and this video, this topic, I'm going to cover in more than one video because it is a sort of very big issue, very lengthy topic it is, and I won't be able to cover in one single video. Now the topic is annual information statement. I'm very sure that everybody files his own income tax return either by himself, herself, or through their chartered accountants or advisors. It is a prerequisite that before filing your income tax return, you are required to download your AS26 statement, or even your CA is also required to download your AS26 report and then check all the particulars whether they are matching with the base data you are providing. Now there is a change in this statement. Income tax authorities have devised a new format. It's a statement, or we can say that it is a passbook. The name is annual information statement. Now why this is required? This annual information statement is going to cover many financial transactions, and those will be provided or uploaded to the income tax authorities by the respective agencies or the institutions. And then what we are required to do is we are required to go through this AIS, that is annual information statement. Now first I'll tell you how to access and download this annual information statement. In short, I'm going to call it as AIS only henceforward. You have to log in to your income tax e-filing portal, then using your own credentials. If you are not yet registered in the income tax e-filing portal, then you have to get it registered yourself first. After login, there is a tab saying services. You click to that services tab. The last menu is annual information statement. You have to click to that tab, the menu. Your site will open. Now there are, once you since you have already provided your credentials, it will ask you for the financial year. Since it has been introduced this time only, so as of now only one financial year, that is 2021, will be displayed, and then your PAN number, your financial year will be displayed. There are two separate windows. One is TIS, that is tax information statement, and the other is AIS. Whatever taxes you have paid during that financial year, if you click to that TIS statement, it will show you the details of the tax paid by you. Similarly, when you click to that AIS, it will open two stages. One is part A, which will be covering your basic data, your name, Aadhaar number, PAN number, etc. And the part B will give you the details of the financial records. Now what the statement is going to cover? It will cover almost more than 50 transaction, 50 type of transactions pertaining to us. Now it is possible that the entire 50 transaction list, it may not pertain to us, but whatever transactions we have entered into, those will be reflected in that annual information statement. Now there is a facility to download this in Excel format also, but you have to go each and every type wise, like salary, fixed income, interest, saving bank interest, like that. This AIS, there will be three files when you download. One is your AIS in your PDF format. Suppose once you go through the statement and you find out that there are certain information which is not covered or those don't pertain to you, then you have to fill up the feedback form. That feedback form is also going to be in the PDF format. And there is another facility, that is JSON facility. It is AIS utility facility, so that you can upload the corrected AIS statement. This part I will be covering in the next video. This is, and along with that, it will give you the information of your cash transactions and your other financial transactions, so that everything will be covered in that AIS. Now what is going to be the benefit of this? The benefit will be the same data will be captured at the time of your report, income tax report filing. So most of your data will be pre-filled henceforth. Since most of us have already filed our income tax return for 2021, we may not be required to use this AIS, but going forward from next year onwards, we'll have to go through this AIS. There could be some people who have not yet filed their income tax return so far. In that case, it will be beneficial for them to go through AIS, check the data, and then do your return filing. So I'll stop here only for this moment. Next time I'll cover the second part of it, how to check the data, how to rectify, how to upload the file, etc. If you like my video, my channel content, please like, subscribe and share the channel with your friends, colleagues and relatives. And please, whatever feedback you want to give or whatever comments you have to give, you can post it into comments column, and you can recommend the topics you want to cover. Thank you very much. Thank you.